So if hurricane impact glass is out of your budget, another alternative that we have is the hurricane shutter option. So I have here a piece of standard tempered glass. This is a triple pane sealed and insulated decorative glass insert. And again, you can purchase this also with a shutter. That way it will still meet up to those requirements. Now we do have two options for those shutters, one being the clear. That way you can be able to see through. And then we also have a metal shutter. This adds a little bit more protection. Both still meet the requirements, but the metal does have a higher level of protection than the clear does. But again, you do get the added benefit on the clear of seeing through while these hurricane shutters are up. And so today, we will be demonstrating the same test that we did on the impact glass, just with these hurricane shutters. All right, so now I'm gonna be showing you how to actually install these hurricane shutters on your existing door. We've got three components. We have two of these metal brackets, one of which I went ahead and already put on the bottom. I've got these screws that are going to channel into both of these brackets, and I have the actual metal shutters themselves. Again, these come in both metal and the clear, and these also come in two different sizes, one for the standard height door and one for the 8-foot tall doors. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this bracket on the top portion of the door. You're gonna wanna try to center this as best as possible. And now I'm gonna go ahead and channel these three screws into the top of this. All right, so now we're just gonna be installing these metal brackets, and lining them up with these screws that are on this. And again, you're gonna want to do the same thing on the bottom portion of this. And so the last step of this is you're just gonna wanna put these wing nuts on here. Get these as tight as possible. And you're gonna be wanting to do the same thing on the bottom portion of this door. It's installed the same exact way. So as you can see, this is what it looks like when it's completely installed. The benefit of this hurricane shutter is that the door is actually still completely operational, unlike most shutters. So now we're gonna go ahead and run the same test that we did on the impact glass, including the softball 2x4 and the crowbar. So again, we're gonna start off with the softball, just like we did the first one, to try to replicate some debris that could be flying around during a hurricane. All right, here we go. All right, so now we're gonna test out the 2x4. All right, so lastly, I'm gonna be doing the same test with the crowbar. All right, so this time we're gonna actually be throwing the crowbar, and this is just trying to represent any sort of debris that could be flying through, like a chair, an umbrella. So here we go. So now you can see up close the dents and damage that was done to this, and you can see that none of the items actually went through this. So now I'm gonna be uninstalling this shutter so that way you can see what happened to the glass insert on the other side. So as you can see, this tempered piece of glass is still completely intact. So again, just to show you the added value of having the hurricane shutter with a standard tempered piece of glass instead of having just the hurricane impact piece of glass. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope this video was both informative and educational for you in showing the differences between the hurricane impact glass inserts or the standard tempered glass inserts with the hurricane shutters. If you have any questions about our products or services, you can either visit our showrooms located in Tampa and in Lakeland, or you can call us or visit our website, theglassdoorstore.com, to request a free quote.